Alright, so this will be a fairly quick tutorial on how to install the particle prefab thing that I threw together. And make sure that you have that imported into your Unity project as well as any of the prerequisites I have listed. From there, you're going to go ahead and find the folder that's called the FATKit stuff. It'll just be the FATK or whatever. You want to open that up. Click on the folder that says Emoji Particle, and then find the Emoji Prefab. Drag that into the base of your scene, and then from there, go ahead and drag that on top of your avatar. Once it's done on your avatar, you want to open up your armature all the way up to the head, so hip, spine, chest, neck, and then head. You want to take the head and you want to put it into the source, so this will make it so that the emoji will go out like wherever you're looking. And then you want to go ahead and take your neck or your chest, or the neck in this case, and put it into the position. I'm just going to press 0 on both of these, and then if you look in your scene here, this is where the emoji is going to come out of. And so I'm going to push it forward a bit. And if you want this to go up or down, initially it won't do it because of this position constraint, because it's locked. If you want to move it up or down and adjust it, because this is where it's going to come out of, open up the constraint settings here, press the lock button, and then move it up and down wherever you want, and then press the lock button again, and you're good. Once that's done, go ahead and open up the VRlabs Avatar 3.0 Manager. Just drag your avatar to the avatar slot, expand the effects section, and then press add animator to merge, and take the provided effects layer or controller, and then drag it into there, press merge on current. If there's a number here where it says suffix, like for example there might be a 1 or 1 if you're messed up or reinstalling it or something, just empty those. Just make sure they're blank, and then press merge on current. Once that's done, in this right side here, it says synced, make sure that both of these have a check mark in them, and you could exit out of that. Yep. Okay, and then click on your avatar again. You're going to go into your avatar descriptor, and you're going to go into your menu. From here, you want to add a control. We'll just call it Emoji Menu. Make the type a submenu, and then click this circle here, and then just type in emoji, and then click Emoji Menu. And that is it being installed. Now I'll just go ahead and do a quick example or build and test. Alright, so I go back here. Okay, so now I'm in the avatar. Go ahead and open the expression menu, emoji menu, and then all of these work now. If you want multiples, just press the burst mode and then use whatever emoji, it'll do that. Difference between this update and the last one was that originally it was just these 5 emojis and that was it, and there's like a random emoji button. Kind of useless to be honest, but that's how it was. But now there's another additional emoji there, and there's also a next page, and all of these are already preset up for you so that it should be super easy for you to add whatever pictures you want to them. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So in Unity, go ahead, go back to the FATKit stuff, the emoji particle folder, materials folder, and you'll find all these materials here, a bunch of purple ones. All of these will have the name corresponding to whatever number emoji it is. So number 6, 7 down here, 8 down here, right? 10, 11, 12, etc., etc. And so when you want to change whatever one it is, then just go ahead and click on material, and then drag whatever picture emoji thing you want into this slot here. Just I don't really have one on here, but you just take it and then just drag and drop onto there. And that would be it. In game it would work just fine. If you wanted to change in your menu icon, if you didn't want it to change the text, if you don't want it to be a big purple square, then you would need to put an image into there. And to do that, you'll go to the emoji menus here. And so, for example, this is the purple icon, which is in the first menu. You would take whatever picture you have and you drag it into the icon section. Although, if you do that, it has to be a certain size, and to make it that size, you'll click on your picture, so textures, right? If here, for example, you click on your picture, and then the inspector, and you scroll down, you'll see this max size button. You'll go ahead and change it to 256. And then that's all you really need to do, but you should also press use crunch compression and then apply. That'll just bring the file size down, which it's negligible, but it'll bring the file size down if that's something you might be concerned about. But then once you made it that size, then you could go ahead and drag the picture into the icon tab and you should be good to go.